Right, so I'm going to make a no-bake chocolate cake today, and for that I'm going to need some cacao powder, some cashew nuts and some pecan nuts, along with some dates, some coconut oil and some hot water. It's a really simple recipe, made in 5 minutes and set in the fridge for a few hours. I'm just soaking around 250 grams of dates in hot water here, and I'll use approximately 7 dates for the bottom part of the cake and 7 dates for the top part of the cake. That's the ganache. I'm going to use around 4 heaped dessert spoons of the cacao powder, about a handful of cashew nuts, half a handful of pecans, 7 dates, water, not too much because you want the bottom part of the cake to be drier than the top, of course. Just going to blitz this for a couple of seconds. I put those ingredients from the food processor into a cling film lined dish, and all I've done is just press down hard to the shape of the dish, and so that it's all evenly distributed. Now I'm going to get on with the ganache. Same amount of cacao powder, 4 heaped dessert spoonfuls. A couple of teaspoons of coconut oil. The remaining 7 dates, removing the stone. I'm going to use a little bit more water this time, plus I've got the coconut oil. Don't overdo it to start, put about 4 to 5 spoonfuls of water. Too thick for me, so I'm just going to add 1 more spoonful of water, or 1.5, and then a little bit more coconut oil. And let's see how that comes out now. And that's much more like a ganache now, so we're going to use that. There we are. And we don't want to press this one firmly, just simply want to spread it over like you would if you're icing a cake. So I'm just going to pop that in the fridge for a couple of hours to set.